Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Geeks. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate perfectly suited background music for your videos using Filmora 14. This is a great new feature that makes it easy to find the perfect music for your videos without having to worry about copyright issues. I know that finding the right background music for your videos can be a real challenge. Sometimes you spend hours searching for the perfect track only to find out that it's copyrighted and you can't use it. But with Filmora 14's new smart background music generator, you can easily create background music that is perfect for your videos. There's a download link in the description, so feel free to check it out. Let's jump in. When you launch Filmora 14, you'll find a user-friendly interface that offers a variety of options to enhance your video editing experience. You'll see features like Smart Short Clip, Smart Scene Cut, AI Video Enhancer, and AI Color Palette. If you click on the toolbox, you'll discover multiple powerful tools, including Smart Background Music Generation, Auto Reframe, Planner Tracking, Multi-Camera Editing, AI Portrait Cutout, AI Translation, AI Face Mosaic, AI Object Remover, AI Stickers, AI Voice Cloning, AI Music, AI Image, Screen Recording, and much more. Filmora 14's Smart Background Music Generator allows you to create customized background music that perfectly aligns with your video's tone and style. Whether you need intense tracks for sports commentary, upbeat sounds for travel vlogs, or chill vibes for movie critiques, Filmora delivers the right audio experience seamlessly. And you'll be taken to the main editing interface. Next, we need to bring in the footage we'll be working with. Import the media, select your video file and drag it onto the timeline. You can see currently we don't have any music in our video. Now, let's dive into generating the custom background music. With your clip selected on the timeline, head to the toolbar and find the Smart Background Music Generation option. Click this to kick off the music creation process. The AI here analyzes your video's content to determine the best music match. Here, it will take a few moments depending on the length of your video file. Once the analysis is done, Filmora will automatically add a custom music track to the timeline. Sounds great, right? If you want, you can generate a new music file, so repeat the process as many times. As you like to get the best possible result. And there you have it. That's how to create perfectly suited background music for your videos using Filmora 14's Smart Background Music Generator. This tool is a game changer, adding professional sounding music without the hassle. If this guide helped you, please hit that like button, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more editing tutorials. And remember, check out the download link for Filmora 14 in the description Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.